Bahog time. Bahog time. Bahog, bahog. Huh, Ruby? What are you doing? Here, you look. Who's hungry? Come on. Rocco, are you hungry, Rocco? Huh? Come on over here, Ruby. Ruby, come here. Rocco, where about yours? Oh, it's bahog time, huh? Are you hungry, Rocco? Ruby, over here. Ruby. Ooh, look at this. Come on, Ruby, you eat. What about you, man? Big dog. Over here. Rocco, that's not yours. Here is yours. Ruby, not. Oi, that's not yours. Over there. That's it. Hey, big boy. Come here. You hungry? Am I doing the right thing, Bob? Yes, Bubba.
She's looking that.
She does. Look,
She hasn't been eating very much lately, Bob.
Me?
She hasn't been eating very much lately.
Alright. Is that...
Perfect, Bob. That's it. Done.
Yeah?
Yep. Take that over to Rocco's.
Alright, come on. Big boy. Yay.
That's it.
You want to eat something too? Big man?
Yes, please.
What would you like?
Bacon and eggs, Papa.
Why do you like bacon and eggs that much?
I only do them on weekends. Don't have them during the week.
Yeah, true. Look, she likes it.
She would like the wolf, Papa.
Alright, let's
Well, that's
go.
good, darling. We've got a fair bit done.
You did something.
I've been waiting to do that. Especially the back end. Thank you, Ed.
Oh my god.
Any grass pots?
I know. but
Okay, let's go.
It has to be washed.
I want to put a little soup in.
Why don't you pour the old one? The old water. Let's go. Done.